Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful image slider using React.js in just 5 minutes. In React.js with end design in Carousel component that already include the smooth sliding animation, navigation arrows and dot for slide indicator to show the current slide position, so we don't need to build everything from scratch. And we can also add autoplay where the image automatically changes every few seconds, for example every 2 seconds. I will also explain how you can easily control autoplay speed, customize the slider for your own React project in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. So first, this is a simple React project that I have already created and also installed Tailwind CSS. And I'm using React component to build the image slider. Now inside the return, I'm wrapping everything inside the main div with apply the style using the Tailwind CSS with BG black and min at screen. So let me show you the output. Inside that, create another div with purple background color. Now this is the most important part, the end design Carousel component. End design is a popular UI library. It's component based UI library. So first install the end design library. Now installation over. Now end design provide lots of component like button, icon, grid, pagination, tab, switch, slider, cards, model, etc. We choose the end design Carousel component so we don't need to create a slider from scratch. This saves a lot of time. First importing the Carousel component from the end design library and then copy the Carousel component and the paste in the VS Code like this. Inside the component, arrow enable the left and right navigation arrow and infinite false not allow the slider to look continuously. Creating the content style variable. This contains the Tailwind CSS classes that are applied to every slide, so we don't have to repeat the same styles again and again. And then replace the style with class name. Now Let me show you the output. As you can see, the slider is working perfectly, and we can easily switch between the slides. You can easily replace this number with images, cards. You can also customize the arrow, dots, and animation based on the projects. Next, autoplay makes the slide move automatically, and autoplay speed means the slide will change every 2 seconds. You can increase or decrease this value. Infinite true allows the slide loop continuously. So when we run this project, we get a clean image slider with automatic sliding every 2 seconds, navigation arrow, infinite looping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.